Oh, very beautiful na naman yung pinili ng picture. Maraming salamat po. So, since my task is the words of encouragement, I have a letter to all our young learners today. So, sa ngalan ng ating ating pong partners, Sir Danilo Jacoba, nais ko pong bigyan ng mensahe ang lahat ng ating mga young scientists and innovators, through this very special letter that I have created and that I have written for all of you. Dear young scientists and innovators, in a world full of mysteries and endless possibilities, science and innovation serve as our guardian lights. Hindi lamang ninyo na mga kabataan, kundi kami din na mga namumuno sa ating pamahalaan. Each discovery begins with curiosity, a willingness to explore the unknown and to turn questions into breakthroughs. As learners, as young scientists and innovators, you hold the power to shape the future by thinking critically, experimenting boldly, and never fearing failure. Let us embrace challenges as opportunities to learn, to create, and to transform ideas into actions that can change lives. Kami, nandito lang kami para magbigay sa inyo ng mga opportunity at mag-lead ng daan para inyo pong maisakatuparan ang iba't iba ninyong mga pangarap. But together, we can harness the unknown and empower a future driven by knowledge, creativity, and innovation. So to all of you there listening to me, keep asking, keep exploring, keep inventing. Pero, tandaan nyo, keep believing that there is an infinite God above. Magandang umaga, and young scientists and learners and innovators, the future begins with you. God bless everyone, at magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Thank you so much po, Ma'am Michelle, our ever young, ever beautiful, that's correct, Ma'am, and very supportive and brilliant ASBS of our division. And of course, today we are also honored by the presence of a visionary leader, a staunch advocate of quality and inclusive education, and the leader whose vision continues to inspire innovation across Nueva Ecija. He plays a vital role in ensuring that every school is well led, every teacher is supported, and every learner is at the center of our mission. Let us warmly welcome with great pride and deep respect the school's division superintendent of the Division of Nueva Ecija, Dr. Rolando A. Passon.
Good morning to all of you, especially to our students who are here representing your schools. Of course, your presence here does not only mean that you were chosen, but you excel in your schools. That's why you are here. But as a reminder, take note of all these things, my dear students. When you get out of your schools, you are not yourselves. You are yourself. Your school, I mean. So whatever you do, carry the name of your school, it is the reflection of your school, not yourself. Kaya pag merong nagkalat yan, sasabihin nila yung estudyante ng Kalapera nagkalat. Hindi nila sasabihin yung pangalan ng batang nagkalat, kung hindi yung pangalan. So, to our district supervisor, thank you for introducing all the people, luminaries a while ago. I will not do that anymore. Dahil nabanggit na ni Mang Manong. To the principal of the school, all Sir Dennis, all other school heads who are here today, advisors, chaperone of the students, Ma'am Michelle, Ma'am Jane, and Ma'am Pugsing. Good morning again. So, I would like to start with the first point that I would like for you to remember. Sabi ni Mayor, looking at this place, napakaganda. Indeed, very beautiful. And he was right when he said that it's only in Talavera National High School in particular, that we have this kind of amphitheater. Palakpakan po ulit natin ang Talavera National High School. I would like to tell you the story of how this amphitheater came about. This is something very important that the school heads, teachers, especially here in Talavera, that you should know. That was sometime in 2017. I don't remember the month anymore. But if you're going to look at the records, when that senior high school was turned over, that was the day that Congresswoman Estelita Swansea, known as Madam Ging or Congresswoman Ging, mother of Congresswoman Maika, when she told me, sabi niya sa akin noon, the program or the turnover of the senior high school was over, kami na lang yung naiwan doon. Hindi ako maalis hanggat na doon ang bisita. So, nakaupo si ma'am, ini-enjoy namin yung malamig na hangin, sabi niya sa akin, DS is Division Superintendent. Diyan sa lugar na yan. Ikaroon siya, tinuturo niya itong lugar na ito. Magpapatayo ako ng amphitheater, sabi niya. Naka-polo shirt siya ng puti, naka-maong siya, naka-white shoes, very cool ang dating. She was telling me, Jan, sabi niya. Well, she was talking about that dream of putting up an amphitheater. I don't have any idea of how it will look like. I never imagined that she will construct this so beautiful property even to Talavera National High School that cost a lot of taxpayers' money. And this was completed during the time of, where is Ma'am Nora? Nora Dakis, tayo pa ng Ma'am Nora. Palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Nora. It was her turn when this project was completed and it was turned over to her. It is in this point, I hope all students of Talavera National High School, past, present, and incoming, shall remember this. Take good care of this property. Ulitin ko, take good care of this property. Hopefully, pag nakaupo ang mga estudyante in these very comfortable chairs there, hindi ninyo inuuga-uga yan. Hindi nyo sinisipa-sipa. Mamaya, when you leave this hall, I hope you carry with you your garbage, your trash, and litters. Do not just throw it anywhere. Why? When this will not be properly taken care of, and this will be destroyed, wala na. Hindi na kayo magkakaroon ng ganito. Because this is not one of the priorities of the Department of Education. That's why we do not have like this in our public school system. And a congresswoman like Congresswoman Ging Swansea, with all her care, pinagawa ito so that all could benefit on it. The only thing that we can return to her, generosity, take good care of this. So, Sir Dennis, with the present principal, the department heads here, the teachers, and the students most especially, you are duty bound to love and take good care of this. That will go through after the next principal, after you, Sir Dennis, and on and on and on. Nakakaingit kayo. So, when Ma'am Nora invited me here, makita na, lo and behold, I was so surprised. I was already in Tarlac during that time. Masama ang maingit. Pero naingit ako. That even in Olongapo, where I belong, where I live, we do not have one like this in any of our schools. Palakpakan po natin ang mga nagmamahal na nagbigay nito. So, ulitin ko Sir Dennis, it's a challenge to maintain this. Nagdaan sa mga challenges si Ma'am Nora. Don't worry, I am always with you, Ma'am Nora, because this is people's money. Part ng innovation, sabi ni Sir kanina. Sabi naman, Michelle, parang nasa Singapore tayo with this ambience as if we are not in the Philippines and true enough. That's why, please, my dear students, scientists in the making, take good care of this. Number 2, since you are in a competition, you will go for a competition, and as a teacher, I would like to add one knowledge to you. Listen to this, because you will never learn this in your school or in any subject that you will go through. Nakita nyo, did you see the students here a while ago during the opening in white clothes? Sumasayaw sila. Anong tawag natin doon? Doxology, sabi ni Sir Dennis. Correct. Graduation and any affair, big or formal occasion, we always have that doxology. You always see students dancing, but what is really a doxology? So that the next time that there is a doxology, you will know how to behave. You will know how to act on it. Okay? Where did doxology started? Where did it start? If you know your Bible, or if you're reading your Bible, it is there. It is where it started. During the time of Noah, when God talked to him, sabi ni Lord, gumawa ka ng arko. Come up with an ark because that is something that you needed. In the middle of the desert, you will make an ark. That's why when Noah started building the ark, everybody in the community laughed at him, and they said, nasisiraan na ng ulo ng bait yung Noah na yan. Noah is just a human being. The wife and the children, they were affected by all those marites, by all those words given to them na nasisiraan na, pinagkatawanan, etc. But just the same, they followed what God has instructed Noah. Isang araw hindi na kaya ni Noah yung pressure, yung stress. But he could not talk. He could not express it in words, those emotions that he felt. Alam niyo ginawa ni Noah, nagtatakbo siya sa desert, gumulong-gulong, lumukso, tumingin sa Diyos, lahat ng kamay niya paa, and everything. And the whole world laughed at him. And the children were so afraid. And they talked to the mother. Sabi nila sa mama nila, Nay, nasisiraan na ng bait ang ating ama. Tignan niyo mga tao, pinagtatawanan siya. Do you know kung anong sinabi ng nanay? My children, come here. Your father is not crazy. He is not deranged. You know what? That is his way of communicating to our Lord. That is the way how he is telling his feelings, his thoughts, his pain, and his glory na hindi kaya ng salita. That's the meaning of doxology. And thank you, you're very silent. You're listening to every word that I'm saying. Meaning, may nadagdag na kaalaman sa inyo. The meaning and the origin of the word doxology. So the next time that you will have a doxology, you will know how to behave. Kanina maganda yung behavior niya, maganda naman. So sabi ko, I think I need to have this because nobody will tell them what is this doxology about. It's not just a dance. It is an expression. So today is National Reading Month, and it's also Science and Technology Week. So there's a lot of activity we're being bombarded with. But just the same, thanks to all the people whose hands is deep in this activity, we are well organized, we are here. So when you start with your neighbor, as you meet yourself, carrying the name of your school later on in the contest or in the event where you are, congratulations, you made it this way. Ibig lang sabihin, you did well in your school. And keep that up because it is from there where innovation starts. It starts from within yourself. So it's not just contest, but learning and gaining knowledge through this activity. So thank you, Ma'am Consul, for coming up with this, to your science coordinators, to all those people behind the scene who made this possible, very successful one. May salute and congratulations to all of you. Good morning.
Thank you so much, Sir Boson, for those empowering words.
Once again, let us give a warm round of applause to our honored guests. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Ayan, thank you so much po for giving us words of inspiration and for gracing this event with your presence.
Every fair and brilliant competition deserves equally brilliant judges.
And to introduce to us our Division Science Fair Review Committee, who critically assess all the entries for the different categories. And of course, to also introduce to us the Board of Judges for today's competition, let's welcome here on stage the Master Teacher 2 of the Science Department of Talavera National High School, Ma'am Maria Hannah B. Butler. Magandang buhay! Mabuting tao! So, to our esteemed leaders of the Division of Nueva Ecija, to our distinguished guests, fellow educators, participants, and students, good morning to everyone. So, today we're going to recognize the tremendous time, effort, and commitment that our host schools have devoted, especially supporting this year's Division Science Fair. So let's start with the awarding of our host schools, starting with the principal and co-chair planning committee of Julia Ortiz Luis National High School. May we go on our very supportive principal, Madam Raquel C. Diaz. Before we award our certificate of recognition, may we request our school division superintendent, Dr. Ronaldo A. Watson, together with our ASDS, Madam Michelle Benita, and of course, our Madam Jane Manuel Garcia for the awarding of certificates. Thank you so much.
Once again, our host school for DSDF 2025, Day 1, Julia Ortiz Luis National High School. Announcement for all the top 6 are number 6 to 10 candidate or participant is school for life science and physical science individual. Pwede po kayo mag-proceed sa may ating hall. Again, number 6 to 10 is school for life science and physical science individual. Mag-proceed na po tayo dun sa multi-purpose hall. Thank you.
And of course, we'll also award the head teacher co-chairman technical committee, Madam Melanie J. Yabo, from Julia Ortiz Luis National High School. to award the certificates to our winners for this year's Division Science Fair 2025. Today we're going to award the top 8 performing robotics and intelligent machine individual category. We're going to also award the best presenter, robotics and intelligent machine for individual category. And
very supportive student, Madam Analea P. Eduardo. Our rank 2 for this year's Best Display Robotics and Intelligence Machines Team category. Synchro Systems, Synchronous Control System, Smart Traffic Jam Regulator for Rural Growth Construction and Rehabilitation from Alupay, Nagano High School. Smith James Catlo, Angelina Marie Lopez, and Jairel Matangina. With their coach, Mme. Shari Mar Emmanuel, with their supporting student, Mme. Laura A. Cruz. And this year's rank 1 Best Display Robotics and Intelligent Machines Team category, we have Flagbar, solar powered Arduino-based real-time detection and early warning and alert system using dual mode connectivity for high-risk flood areas prevention. From Rizal National High School, Justin Capos, Gloria, Neil John Pasco Lucas, and Russell Lizarrana Magdangan. Together with their coach, Sir Chris E. Valero, with their very supportive principal, Madam Imelda S. Baluni. Next award goes to Best Presenter, Robotics and Intelligent Machine Team category. Our winner for this year's Division Science and Technology Fair, Robotics and Intelligent Machine Team category, Best Presenter, we have Hydro Buzz, a solar-powered IoT-based water quality monitoring and alert system using TDS sensor and buzzer notification. Together with the researchers, we have Pauline A. Arcanas, Antonia Sofia D. F. Palayo, and Athena Joseph B. Samano. Congratulations. Together with their very supportive school head, Madam Maria Soledad Vidales, and their coach, Ms. Virgie A. Lueda. Congratulations, Paul. Our next award, we have Robotics and Intelligent Machines Team category. So we're going to call the top 10 in random order. Again, Rank 625, Daniel Milwaukie with RT alert system and person teacher. From Tagumpay Adarno High School. Bryce Gabriel Lucas, Jonathan Molognan, and Vince Cheryl Salonga. Weather coach Sir Jerome John J. Banjo. is a research project entitled Enhance Blood Literature through Blood and Prediction Using Machine Learning-Driven Web Application. From Bongabon Senior High School, Mark Lawrence M. De La Rosa. Together with his coach, Mandaray and Sami, and Sir Gilbert S. Malani, and their assistant school head, Ma'am Jeneline Valdivia, and their school head, Ma'am Analea P. Edwan. For the Science Innovation Expo individual category, Round A, we have PIE Bot, Arduino Control Charging Station, and piezoelectric sensor embedded for sustainable energy harvesting within classrooms. From Rizal National High School, Cassandra A. Armilio. Rizal National High School, Senior High School, with their coach, Ma'am Maria Lourdes C. de la Merced, their assistant school head, Madam Riza Julio, and their school head, Madam Nilda Bonilla. Our next winner, rank 6.5, development of Arduino-based automated vermicomposting system with temperature, humidity, and soil moisture control. From Tandog National High School, Christian Nash Cronenberg, together with his coach, Sir Jomar B. Doctorero, their department head, Sir Leonor Miguel, and their very supportive school head, Madam Rosalie F. Fernandez. Next, rank 6.5, automated weight monitoring system for and their school head, Madam Hilaria E. Calma. For our top five, we go on, let's see, individual, for individual category. They're promoted from Bongabon National High School, Palayan City Senior High School, Bongabon Senior High School, Santo Domingo National High School, and Tandog National High School. Nasaan na po ang Next. Our top three in this year's Science Innovation Expo team category. We have ADC from this Junior High School, Zywin Park, Iowa, Next award goes to Best Presenter, Mathematics and Computational Science in Middle category. Goes to Agri-Analytics, Machine Learning Framework for Crop Quality Assessment using exponential decay-based modeling and data-driven agriculture. Our researcher, Bryce Lorene C. De Fiesta, together with their coach, Estanislao P. Sabeno, Sir Sixto F. De La Cruz, their acting head, Sir John Dominic Sinal, and their student, Nora S. Lam. For our top 5, Mathematics and Computational Sciences, individual category. Huwag po muna tayo maalas sa ating mga participants para naman po makita natin ang ating mga awardees, diba, for this year's Division Science Fair. And meron pa rin po tayong top-performing school. Top 5 performing school for this year's Division Science and Technology Fair 2021. Okay, so here we go on. Representative from Talavera Senior High School, Bumabo National High School, Nes Senior High School, Cabiao Senior High School, and Cabiao National High School. Dito po tayo sa taas. Again, we're going to award the Mathematics and Computational Sciences individual category. Once again, congratulations to all our winners. Very deserving. Nasulit para inapagod at puyat this year. Ayan. So we have our top 5. Our top 5 for Mathematics and Computational Sciences individual category goes to Cabiao National High School, Leo Victor Santiago, together with his coach, Macari Joy Iguan, their OIC department head, Marisa Santos, and their student, Sir Perfecto C. Felix Jr. Top 4. Top 4, we have Project Rise Real Time Evaluation of an AI-driven computational system for real-time risk estimation and circulation of pest and disease outbreaks in Nueva Rice Farm. From Cabiao Senior High School, Curlin Grace G. Gunay, with her coach, Sir Erickson M. Globo, their assistant school principal, Sir Henry Fajardo, and their student, Sir Marvin A. Bato. So we have a time. Round. Okay, round 2.5, we have representative of each team coming from different schools. Bungabon Senior High School, Palayan City Senior High School, Bungabon National High School, Bungabon National High School, NIS Senior High School. Our winners for mathematics and computational sciences team category, starting with top 5. Probabilistic modeling of control and growth projects using Monte Carlo extrapolation of International Roughness Index and Pavement Condition Index from Bungabon National High School. J.M. Sereno, Jillian Gayleno, and Rina Alicia Payawan. Winner coach, Sir Stanislao P. Sarmiento Jr. and Sir Gabriel S. Valerian. With the department head, Sir John Dominic